Okay, so we're just on the edge of Temple Bar at the top of Fleet Street. Having a little look at the nightlife in Temple Bar, and just for reference, it is a Thursday night and it is about 11 p.m. and we're outside the Palace Bar and the Fleet Hotel. We're just going to take a walk into Temple Bar, have a look at the nightlife in Dublin on a weekday night. See what's happening. Now, for reference, most of Dublin bars and clubs on a weekday will close at around 12 o'clock, half 12, and maybe 1 o'clock at the latest for the majority of places. Temple Bar especially, it's around 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock on the weekend, then it is 2 a.m., 2:30. This is Buskers, which is closed at 11 p.m. Hard Rock Cafe. Now, I'd say most places are probably closing up. I'd say I'm not sure, it depends on the bar and the club itself, what time they decide to close. But for a weekday, if you're coming, especially coming during the summer, might be a little surprise. Also, supermarkets and shops will stop serving alcohol at 10 p.m. So, just for those who want to stay partying, you get your supplies in early. This is Fleet Street, heading up in towards the main area of Temple Bar. I'd say the Oliver St. John Golgarties, which is a little lively. We might have a look in one or two of them. They're the famous horse and carts that you see in Dublin. That's the old Dubliner. Now we're in probably the most touristy and expensive part of Dublin. Average pints are probably around €10, let's say, give or take. And then obviously the same goes for food and everything else today. But if you ever want a good breakfast, the Elephant and Castle does a good breakfast. I can't remember the price, since it's been a while since I was there. This is the Temple Bar Square, I'd say you can call it. Lots of restaurants, a couple of vape shops. ATM point just in the square. Abracadabra, that's McDonald's over there. And then one of the most popular bars in the Temple Bar area would be Badasses. They always have a bit of a sing-song going, and also there's a couple of lads in there to play I don't know what it's called, the instrument, tambourine or the cello. I can't remember the instrument, but they play, but it's a good place for a sing-song and dancing. Always quite busy. And over here you have the Storehouse, which is a huge bar. It stretches back a good bit into the Temple Bar area. That's the old Storehouse, that's quite big. We'll kind of run through these a little quick, but they're all bars, they all do the same thing, just have slightly different prices. A couple of the bars I've been in. A couple of bars I have been in. Not a lot of them because obviously the price, and then there's plenty of other places to go around. But when you're here on holidays, you're going to end up in Temple Bar, and you're going to end up close to this square. So that's Abracadabra. That does your drunk food. Then you have, very quickly, the McDonald's there. And then walking past up McDonald's, you'll find the world famous Temple Bar. That's the Temple Bar Trading Company's tourist shop. The library project, I think this is like a change in the library depending on different events. This is the famous Temple Bar. Famous from Instagram and then famous for the price of a pint. I think it's €10.25 or €9.25. I only bought it recently, but I can't actually remember. But that is the famous Temple Bar. But this will probably work for the thumbnail. But this is the famous Temple Bar in Temple Bar. One of the most expensive bars in Ireland, and the one that's on everyone's Instagram list. And we'll go up a little longer. This is Supermax Ireland, and Supermarket Copper John, so Ireland's version of McDonald's. This is the Norseman. That's a good spot. Fitzsimons of Dublin. That's another good spot. But a little hidden gem, one I like to go to, is just up around the corner. Paddy Mac's I've never been to. Paddy Mac's there. That is Bad Bob's. Bad Bob's can be a very good laugh on the weekend. Everywhere's a little quieter tonight because it is a Thursday, of course. So everyone's a little tamer. And that will lead up towards Dame Street and City Hall area. So this is my first time having a pint in a pub in the smoking area, and it's very awkward. Here we go. Yeah, it's lovely. We're inside the Kelp, the smoking area.
No, never, no, no, no. You're like playing and running, running, running. No, never, no, no. I'm in the snow, never. Right up here, no, never, no more. When I play, the wild no more. No, never, no more. I go home to me parents.